Okay, guys, listen to this. There's a sound screaming. It's like a scream. It's so freaking loud, and it's coming from up in the air, like up there. It's been going on now. What is that? I swear I saw like this thing when the lightning was flashing a second ago. What the fuck? Dude, that's coming from like up in the sky outside of my apartment. It's gonna do it. Listen. What is that? I haven't heard it like that yet. Gene, check this out. Listen. This is coming from the sky above my apartments. It's been going on for half an hour. Hold on. It's coming from up in the air. What is that? That's so scary. It sounds like someone screaming. Then it sounds like a bunch of like Indians whooping in the distance. What is that bizarre sound? Here, I'll be right back. Stay bird. Did you hear that? It's like a blood-curdling scream, but it's coming from like up here in the sky. Anybody else hear that? Oh, gross, I just stepped in a bunch of mud. What is that sound? Now it sounds like it's coming from behind me. This is so bizarre. I better not. So it's coming off from that direction. What up, Bob? I'm trying to figure out what this sound is. It's been going for like half an hour now. You hear it? But then it'll stop and then it'll scream really loud, like a banshee. Hold on, wait. You'll hear it in a second, Bob. What up, Solomon? What up, Nessa? Hold on. That is so loud and so like eerie. It's like a banshee, blood-curdling scream. Ooh, there it is again. What is that? If anybody can recognize that sound, please tell me. Woo! It sounds like ah! It sounds very human. I mean, across the way here, there's no factories. There's nothing like that. So I don't. It's just it's a field. There's my dog. Birdie! Oh! Birdie! She's saying, get back inside. What up, Shelly? Listen to this. There's this sound coming from up in the sky in this general vicinity. What up, Kristen? And like it's been like doing this little vibration sound, and then it just lets out this blood-curdling, screamy sound like a banshee. And it's been like half an hour ever since the lightning and thunder started. Shelly, wait till it screams. Woo! That one was big. I'm like standing in the middle of a field right now. All right, listen, it's gonna do it any second, Shelly. Hold on. That is so fucking scary. I get goosebumps. I don't know what that is. All right, I'm going back inside. I've had enough of the screaming band. Yeah, that sounds like someone screaming bloody murder. I mean, that is not cool. Whatever it is, and it literally sounds like it's coming from the sky. If anybody recognizes that sound, let me know. All right, I'm out. I know, right, Shelly? Hold on a second. Whew. My hair's all windblown and wet. Yeah, hold on a second. Is it pretty loud over the phone? I mean, I always thought the horns of Jericho would sound... Man, it's almost like someone has some big-ass stereo speakers up on top of one of these buildings, and they're just blaring this sound, like a sound effects of someone screaming in like a haunted forest or something. Can you hear that?
Yeah, I'm done.
Isn't that bizarre?
Stop it. It's like screaming.
I know, it's been going on for like half an hour.
Did you see the fire?
All right, guys, bye. Okay, so I went ahead and jumped on my bike, and I'm trying to like hunt this sound down, and I can't find it. It's still like way off in that direction somewhere. You hear that? It's coming from so far back there, but it's so loud. I've never heard anything like that. Right now it sounds like bearings, like... Right now here, it's gonna scream. That is so fucking loud. Dude, I need to call like the newspaper and find out what this is. I'm in the middle of a parking lot with a metal bike between my nuts. I should probably stand next to something else that's taller than me, huh? I mean, there's not like a railroad yard, there's not a factory. Everything's shut down right now anyways. So this morning there was a bunch of jets flying over that area where the sound's coming from, just off behind me here. And they flew around for like 45 minutes. And then we just had some really strange fucking weather all day, like on again, off again. We had big, humongous hail coming down. We had sunshine, we had thunderstorms, lightning, heavy rains. And then about an hour ago, this sound started, and it's just filling up the entire sky with this scream. Yes, Bob, it's very strange. And I've been in mechanic shops where you have like a compact drill or something, or maybe you need to put some oil on some bearings and it's rubbing too much, creating too much friction. This is nothing like any of that. I really seriously cannot place the sound, and I'm pretty good at doing stuff like that. And also, it's bouncing off of the buildings behind these buildings, so it's so high up. The acoustics are actually coming down and hitting off the buildings behind these buildings. Oh man, it's such a creepy, almost sentient sound. And then you get these sounds. Sounds like a bottle rocket, like a decompression or something. And then like a warble, it warbles for a while, and then it just goes quiet, and then it just screams, blood curdling, and it fills the entire sky. And it echoes again. You could hear it in your ears. Like feel it in your eardrums. Oh, that is just the scariest fucking death scream. What is that sound? All right, I'm going back in. You hear that shit? Do you have any idea what that might be?
I hear say there's a drain problem down at the railroad.
That's been going on for like 45 minutes.
Yeah, I heard it
The
way
same,
down there.
the same pattern.
Just
it does a
over
little
and over.
warble. Sometimes it'll do like a. That
Like
sounds
that.
like a scream.
Yeah. I was gonna walk down there and find out.
I've been riding my bike looking and I can't find anything. It
can't
seems
see
like
anything?
it's coming from the sky.
Might
That's,
be underground though.
did you see the fighter jets flying around here earlier?
Yeah. I don't know. Was that a salute?
I don't know what it was.
You know what they'll do?
They would circles right around
Yeah.
the same area that sound's coming from.
Memorial Day, they would they'll do flyovers.
Going on
it
an
sounds
hour.
like a ring. It sounds like, you know, Roto-Rooter and
That's what I'm saying.
It's some kind of drainage issue.
Maybe.
It may be over there at the physical plant.
It's creeping me out though. It sounds human, like a human banshee, like a woman scream.
Well, that's what I thought, and that's why I started walking this way. Yeah.
She got lungs on her, huh? Pretty good. Oh man, sorry, I'm not reading any of these comments. A bunch of my neighbors have been coming out and wondering exactly what the dang sound is. Also, I get struck by lightning. I thought the lightning had stopped before I came out here like a dumbass. Anyway, I'm going to contact the news department tomorrow, the local news station, and see if they had any reports. If they had any what exactly these ungodly apocalyptic noises are that are coming from the sky. God, it's just everywhere. It fills the air. Yeah, the bike ride was nice though. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here. Bye.